And this is my cold brew jug that I picked up from Amazon. I've had it for quite a few years. I really enjoy using it. It is a glass jug and it has these plastic holder for your coffee. So it comes like that, and all you would do is you would remove the filter from it, and it's like a normal jug. It is made of glass. The glass does have a measurement on there, so if you want to have an awareness of what you're putting in there. And it has this filter. It has 3 parts. It has the cap there, which you remove. Then it has the actual main filter, and then the base. And the base does come off because it helps it with cleaning. It helps it, so you can give it a good flush through and keep it clean. So all I would do is put that in there. You put your filter coffee in here to your desired level. Some people go to the top, some people not. I'm not a particularly strong coffee lover. I like my cold brew to be moderate, so I fill it to about halfway. Pop it in there, whatever flavour or desire that you have, and then you pop it in there, and then just fill it up with the cold water there. I sort of go just underneath there, just give it a little bit of breathing space. I pop the lid on, and then I just pop it in the fridge, leave it overnight, and then by the next day I've got a nice jug of cold brew. I do say sometimes what I'll do, if I go through it quite quickly, I will reuse the same grinds if it's the same day. At the end of the day, I will discard it just in cases for safer reasons, but you can, I find that there's usually enough flavour to get a second go. Judge me if you want to, but I like saving money and I think it's a waste. So I'd rather give my coffee a second light go. I also pop it on my compost as well, just to break down. So yeah, it's really easy to keep clean. All you do when you finish with that, you would just take it off, remove that, tap it all out, remove that, and then give it a good wash out. And this comes up really well. As you can see, I've had this about 3 years, I'd say. And there is a little bit of staining, but it's had coffee in it for about 3 years on a weekly basis, so it looks pretty good. Yeah, I've never had any issues with it. I think it's a really, really nice cold brew jug. Does what I want it to do, looks really nice, and I think it's just a really nice, useful thing. And once you've got it, you'll just really enjoy using it. And yeah, I really recommend investing in a little one, and yeah, recommend your product.